Hello guys. So today I will show you expanded widget. So create new dot file, name is expand exp. Stateless class, name is expanded exp. Return scaffold, import material. And then in the app bar, title text is a expanded widget. Color, text style color is a white. Center title is a true. Background color is a light blue. Okay, let's run this file. Expanded exp. Run. Output will display, you can see. Okay, click and in the body I will use a column widget, and in the column children use expanded. In the child I will use a container. Height is a 100, color is a pink, and flex is a 2. Copy this and paste here. Change the flex, change the color to orange, and flex is 1. The height I will change 200. For paste third time, change the color to teal, and flex is a 3, height is a 200. Run this. You can change the flex and colors in the expanded widget. Thank you for watching this video.